Zeal definitely does promote, you wanting to advance your career, you wanting to advance your knowledge. And there's different ways of doing it. One way, I just recently came back from the AWS reInvent conference. Zeal sent a few of us to Vegas, pretty much paid for the entire trip for us to go out there. It was a great week of just information overload, just taking sessions, and the people that I was with, a lot of the other Zealers, were great people to hang out with. There's like a budget set aside for you that you can use every year to start taking, I don't know if it's a course or buying books. So I've been on 3 clients here so far, a light, and then I've been on Nimbly, and so now I'm at Cinemark. And so it's been a wide range of, I guess you can say, technical stacks that I've gotten my hands on, which is great, something that I was looking for. Family, that's it. I mean, that's really the most important thing to me. I think being in the consulting world, you need to have teams that are agile, period. Because a lot of times, you may be at one client, but you'll be working on multiple projects. Or you complete one project, and right as soon as you move off that project, you have to adapt to another project. And that project could have just a completely different tech stack from the one that you just previously worked on. So having that ability to be able to pick up on, okay, well, I've got to learn this pretty quick. Or you might move on to a whole different client. It's just completely different. The teams that I've worked on have been understanding, especially 2021 was kind of a rough year for a lot of people. And so my family kind of fell into, I guess, some of the stuff that was going on in 2021. And so Zeal was really understanding about that. I don't know if I can fit that into 3 words. I think there's a lot of smart people at Zeal. A lot of people willing to help out at Zeal. And just a lot of people you can get along with at Zeal, which is different from a lot of the other organizations that I've worked at, where there's, there might have been some tendency to be like, well, I don't know if I can approach this person. But at Zeal, I think a lot of people are approachable. As long as you're improving yourself. If you've made some mistakes in the past, you've identified those, and making those changes, that matters. I don't know if it matters most, but it has a huge impact. Identifying things that I know I need to improve on, or identifying things that I know I need to correct, that matters most to me.